Good morning, my son. Have you read your Bible today?
Not yet, Mom.
Jesus could come at any time and we should always be ready.
Mom, I don't think the rapture will happen anytime soon. Guys, have you read your Bible today? Jesus is coming soon and we need to stay ready.
Not now. I can read it later. There's still plenty of time.
Me too. All says we should always be ready. No one knows when he will come.
Don't worry, we still have time.
I can't wait for the weekend. School stressed me today. Why does the sky look like that? What is happening? This doesn't feel normal. These are the signs.
Everybody run!
Tell me this isn't what I think it is. The rapture. They're disappearing!
Hold my hand. Stay close to me.
My mom! Where's my mom? We have to go now! Jesus came and we weren't ready.
Do not panic. A new world order will peace and safety.
Everything changed in one day. The Bible warned us about this. What do we do now?
Faithful no matter what happens.
They are searching for people. Please, God, help us. Lord, forgive us. Give us strength to stand for you. Even if the world turns against us, help us not to give up. We may be afraid, but we are not alone.
In the darkest time on earth, faith became their only light.